Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's create a simple and effective progress bar using print function and Unicode characters. Our output will look like this. Okay, so let's write the program. In the Python file, first let's take a variable bar length and assign a value to it. Here bar length is nothing but total number of bars in the output. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 30 bars. So this is our bar length. Next here we can see this block and this block. We need two blocks to represent the filled blocks and empty blocks, empty space. So for that, let's take two variables. First one is block. I'll take Unicode character, and next one is for space. I'll take Unicode character. Next we have total 30 bars in the output. To print progress and percentage for every bar, let's take for loop from 0 to total bar. So we'll take bar length plus 1. So here we want bars from 0 to 30. So that's why here you need to take 30 plus 1, bar length plus 1. Next, for each bar, adjust block and space. That is, here we can see when progress is 0%, when bar is 0, here we can see we need total 30 space and 0 block. Then here we need 1 block and 29 space. Here also you can see, right? So in the program, filled bars are and empty space are. Filled is block multiply bar. Empty spaces are space multiply bar length minus bar. Done. Next, we need to calculate the percentage. So for that, percent equal to, I'll use the formula like this: bar divided by bar length multiply 100, and we need to convert this to int using int function. Why we'll calculate percentage like this? Here you can see the calculations. Next, let's print this. Here, print function. First, we need progress, this string, then followed by this. Next here we want filled, empty. Next we need to close this, and next we need to mention percent and here this symbol. Next we need to use separator as empty string. We are done here. Next, so to delay the output, to pause the output for 1 second, I'll use Time.sleep here. We want that progress bar effect, right? That's why. And to use this Time.sleep, we need to import time module. So next, lastly, we'll print done. Okay, so we are done. Let's save this. Here you can see the output. Done. Okay, next, here if I want the output in one line, then here you can use /r here. It will overwrite the line. /r is the escape character. Shift the cursor to the beginning of the current line, and here you need to use end is equal to space, and next here flush equal to true. But the problem is this /r doesn't work with Python ideally. So for that, what I need to do is we'll run this program using terminal. I'll save this file in the desktop. In the desktop, you can see the file. You can double click or open with Python, and here you can see the output. Terminal is closed automatically. You can pause the program using input function here, then save. Here you can see the output. Done. This is how we can create a simple progress bar in Python. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.